Hello my YouTube family. As I shared with all of you on my community post that in my upcoming videos I'm gonna share with all of you more than 100 phrasal verbs, and that all are I'm trying to use in my English, not in conversation with people, so it can improve my English language. If you also want to learn that all phrasal verbs, don't forget to check out in the description box. I'm gonna mention that all phrasal verbs in PDF form, which I have created by my own, as you can see here. uh, Actually what happened, there is, as you can see, this is my notebook of spoken English. Before I was writing down here, like let me show you. This is starting page of this notebook, and I was writing down here is what you call expression instead of phrasal verbs, as you can see here. But then I realized I am not good at phrasal verbs. If I am unable to speak this language, then definitely somewhere I don't know enough phrasal verbs perhaps. So I know what is my sore point. I know very well about myself. If you don't know about yourself, then try to know where you are lagging behind, in what you are lagging behind. आप किस में पिछड़ रहे हैं, try to find out it and then focus on that point. So while learning expressions, I got it that I should learn phrasal verbs before learning expressions, because if you don't know more or enough expressions, you can speak this language. But if you don't have enough phrasal verbs, perhaps you are not going to be good speaker of this language. I'm speaking this on the basis of my own experience. So then I started learning phrasal verbs, and while learning it, I understood that should I share with all of you that all things or not. Then I thought, okay, let's post on community and what people are thinking about it. But I was really I got really amazed that you all want to learn it. You all want that this all kind of phrasal verbs. So for all of you especially, I created in PDF form. You can download it easily in the description box. And what is the benefit of it? As you can see here, first in the red, as you can see in red pen, hang in there with Hindi meaning, and what you, how, or I can say whatever kinds of sentences I created by my own, that you can also learn. If you are not interested in this example, you can create your example by your own. But I'll definitely suggest you, if you don't have time to create your own notebook, at least form a sentence using these all phrasal verbs so that your mind can recall it. More than 100 phrasal verbs. Actually, there were almost 300 or 400 phrasal verbs. But okay, part wise I'll definitely provide. If you are interested, you can comment below that, ma'am, yes, make all phrasal verbs PDF. I'll definitely provide you, because we will improve our English together. Okay, so definitely download it. It's free of cost, guys. Okay, so you can easily learn it, and I'll definitely suggest you try to work on your each and every sore point or weak point, because if you are not finding out your weak point, perhaps you're gonna become a part of rat race. If you're gonna practice of this language hours and hours, or I can say years and years, yet your English is not gonna improve. So you'll have to understand where you're lagging behind and how you can improve it. This is how someone can improve or learn this language. So these were all. I hope that this information can help you anyhow. If it, then definitely share in your groups of WhatsApp, Insta, or Telegram. Okay, and if you want any kind of personal guidance, then you can DM me on Instagram. You can talk to me. I'll definitely reply there if it would be possible for me, but only for just guidance or suggestion of English language, nothing else. Okay, definitely follow me there as well. See you in the next video. Bye.